Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you are all well and welcome back to my another very important tutorial for the Microsoft Word beginner, especially who are learning Microsoft Word. It is very essential for them. So without any delay, let's get started. Today's topic is you are watching on the screen that how to insert shape, and it is the 7th part. Already I have published 6th part of this series. You were requested to watch my all of the episode of this series Microsoft Word tutorial. So let's get started. At first you have to open Microsoft Word and you can watch insert menu here in the top of this left corner. Insert menu, this is file, home, and then insert. If you click the insert menu, then there are plenty of options here, but now I will discuss about the shape menu. This is the shape menu. You can see here, just click the drop down menu here and there are plenty of shapes here. So if you want to use these shapes, just put the cursor on your document. Just this is my demo document for you. Just I will put this cursor on the document, then go to the insert menu and then click the shape menu. Then there are in the first line recently used shapes. This is the shapes that I have used recently, and after this lines, basic shapes, there are some options here. Lines, there are plenty of lines here. Basic of shapes, block, arrows, flowchart, callouts, and stars and banners. So how can you use this? Just click this, then drag on your document. Now I am dragging. This is a line. You can make it short or large by clicking this circle here. There are two circles here, two lines here. You can make it large or short. This is the basic line. So if you want to delete it, just press the delete icon, then again go to the insert, then go to the shapes. Now I will draw a very interesting line here. Yes, very interesting line here. Okay, you can make it large or short by dragging the last part of this line. Yes, you can customize it as your need. So this is the first line of this insert menu. Now we will go to the basic shapes. There are some shapes here which are very basic, but if you want to draw it on your document, then just you have to select, then drag it. Very simple. Then you can customize it according to your wish. Wow. You can format these shapes by clicking the right cursor, right menu of the mouse, right side of the menu, just click it, then go to the format and shape pictures. Then you can customize it more. Color, dashed, Now this is the color, you can use it red, then the red shapes will appear here. Very easy and simple. Now we will go to the next line of the insert menu. Next line, block arrows. There are some interesting block arrows here. You can see here. Find your desired block arrows. Now I will select a very important block arrow. This is the very important block arrow. This is the very useful block arrow. You can use it. Very simple. You can make it short or large by dragging your mouse cursor here and move slightly by dragging your mouse. Very easy and simple. So now I will go to the next option here. Just say shapes flowchart. Now callouts. Yes, very popular callouts. This is very popular callouts. You can see here. This is the very popular callouts. You can write on the callouts here. Hi. This is, yes, you can write here. You can write here, bold it. Very interesting. Okay, very nice. So this is the way you can use insert menu. You can use the shape menu under the insert menu. There are plenty of another option is here. Now I will delete this, then again go to the insert, then go to the shapes. Yes, stars and banners here. There are plenty of banners here. So now I will select a very popular banners here. I use these banners every now and then. You can see here, this is my favorite banners here. Very favorite. You can see here, this is the banner. You can put a text into the banner here, but how can you can go to the text option, home. You can go to the text, insert and go to the text. You have to take text box here. Just draw a text box here from this. Yes. Then copy to paste it. Okay, you can customize it. Now I will remove this border here. Just go to the click the right menu of the mouse, then go to the format and shapes here, then go to the fill, then go to the fill and go to the color here. You have to click the drop down menu of the color, then go to the no color. click the no color, then again format and auto shapes, go to the line, go to the line, then go to the drop down menu here, just click the no color. The border has been vanished here. You can see here, this is the banner. You can see here, you can format it by clicking the right menu of the mouse, then go to the format and auto shapes pictures, then you can increase the dust, design the dust. Just you can use this. This is another design here. You can use this. Now I will put the line here. You can increase the weight. You can increase the weight. Look, the weight has been increased here. This is the way you can use the shapes menu under the insert menu. So that's all for today. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you for better understanding of the Microsoft Word tutorial. I am requesting all of you to watch my next Microsoft Word tutorial. So till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.